Me that way upon 2 somebody, 3. But it narrowed down to 2. Upon her stepfather and somebody else. Her stepfather come on my lotion, my foot. I'm a throw on that just and put on my brazil and put on my sneakers already. No matter upon the person, for the person come already, come on them trap boy. I mean I know you're a question about a pure celibate.
That man, me there no babes. Chat 3 person with rose. Blue diamond, thanks. Chat 1 more rose chat. Shantau, my chat say happy birthday. Chat triple. What should do? With Uni? Yeah. Chat triple. Chat
I don't know why they put her in a fingernail, my love. You feel like she's a big woman.
of our birthday. That never got snipe on the triple.
Kaila!
It's Sarah Stang.
Kaila!
Call her.
Kahila. The mother called her Kahila.
So we are call the girl name for. You know she know that name for me.
The mother said Kahila. Okay, clearly Antonio call her. We can call her government. You get it?
What?
You must say iPad with a pen.
I whip on it.
Yeah.
Me nah leave it, my love.
What time it come?
The person them there half a tree, me whip on them tell me which over here.
Oh, them there half a tree.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, come with me.
Yeah, what carry no?
Oh, you carry?
Yeah. How for carry you?
It's with friends switch.
Hmm?
That's the friends switch. Instead of 2 or 2 to 8. Try go picky. And they bring you. What you
Girl, I tell you about them situation.
What you say? What you say about Tutu?
Me not say nothing. Whenever you can't bother. I'ma call him and text him.
But Tutu now better come.
She'll bring unique instead, she say.
Because to head dry and picky.
You need, look girl, move. You need to stop. When I move, me never ask them something, Shantau.
Exactly.
You want to carry Tutu with you?
No, to now come. To the head don't do.
Or you can't catch up?
To the head, yeah, wash. Then they bring unique instead.
Like me can't stand with you now, your mouth.
Yeah.
Just so. Your mouth, boss.
Friend, no,
Too much detail.
Deal with our friend.
Your mouth. Your mouth. Your mouth.
Call me.
Your mouth.
Other people.
Alright.
Your mouth.
Shantau.
You carry Kayla.
Yeah, these Shantuas.
Your mouth.
I will kill these, Jesus.
Girl.
Mommy, how many more clothes on there?
Mouth bust go on now.
I not have no phone. I don't have any phone. Let me like that.
No, we are going to do Jubilee. No, we get her from, you know. I really her Pitney. No, sir.
Yeah, I do not make her make she see no because her mouth.
Me and shit, I'm Mr. Shantau, I'm sitting in it.
Yeah, man, mouth. You can't do not make she see. Mouth really boss. She don't hold long nothing. She just a chat so no sir. Everything in that detail.
Yeah, behave like you give me something to put down.
Who that?
People.
Want to fear mother?
Exactly, because she behave like a me, her mother. Chad,
Too
first give
cute.
me beg you something, Chad. Because me I do it means say I'm obligated. Chad, first give triple. Max her she want for her birthday, so she want braces. So I go pay for she get her braces done.
What?
So she want braces.
What should I do with braces?
You want that? Because you want to the after mother. No one I know.
She's gonna say her teeth them buff and she want braces, so may I pay for get her braces done.
Yes, you need it for true. I think it to be
See
straight.
love.
She need it for true.
Don't you want braces too?
When me in high school.
You know say you make she stay so?
When me in
What you have teeth problem?
I want her braces now to kill her one braces.
Would you want braces in the high school? Would you want braces unicorn braces? No. Look how long I want braces. My mother long time before unique. Yeah, before she put in it. Before
You want braces, you want braces, and good girl move. You don't know your book.
Me or Kelly?
See me attack.
Me? I mean, no matter you know. We go say alright. That I can do see what you do.
Shanta,
My big 5 rows.
Shanta,
Yes.
if you get paid 100 for your exam or buy your iPhone 18 or come out this year.
I thought if you come out this year.
Yeah, September.
If me get be 100.
Be 100, be 100 you have to work for me buy your iPhone 17, no caps.
For my exam,
Yeah.
I pay.
Everything.
No,
Everything.
better yet, if she pass for which school you want her to pass for?
And next year that.
Oh yeah, for
My
sure.
father said
Chad 4
my
rows.
father
Hey,
said
hey, 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 hey.
my father said now I'm gonna all girls school.
Hey, me know want hear about that.
No wanna hear from that.
Chad 4 person.
Say me all girls school.
Shot, we are look 19K for that one. Barbara come back yet?
What you need that for?
What you say?
The Barbara come back yet?
No, you know see. Barbara not come back yet, Shanta. Mm-hmm.
Chat focus I was still away from bar. Shanta,
You don't know why you do that, you know? Who do
your
that?
stepfather can present come don't talk hour.
Eh?
Your stepfather.
And the same present that when him say I will give me one different.
The same one.
Mama, let's see something.
What?
Sit.
Hey! Move the man!
You know I should have asked for the iPhone 16.
You're too alright, you know your mouth, you're gonna leave for me so. Have a nice day. You don't appreciate nothing, you know, you're very ungrateful, you.
Instead of ask for the
Aye, make sure go on now,
You
girl.
know, Shanta, you want somebody to slap in your head back. Boy,
Yeah.
No, him
my
say-
sir, I never mean in your position.
Him say-
Boy, excuse me.
Hey, leave! No, make sure go on.
Leave! Stay over this now. Now you're no, no, right now.
Go be come and me take long to get ready.
Beard already. I'm was I eat my beard after time. I mean, to the beard. Look at this shit. You need to come on, beard. My birthday. What's up?
Allow me to put some lifters down and see me.
Shanta,
Mother talking, girl.
Yes.
go and go ask me so where I go. Go and go find something to go on.
But no, we are already.
Text me it. Go find something to move. I see your mouth, look a bit and they say me don't know you know. Me don't know you know, but me I tell you say, you see your mouth? You see your mouth? You see your mouth? You see your mouth?
Um, I also want to make it.
What's up?
Mami, beli wala for my brother like
Hey, hey. Shantau, hurry up and do what you do. About that? Lover.
People chat.
Again, then.
Oh. Chat triple. What's up?
Mouth as a muscleizer. Chat we are look. 18K for God one. We now walk 18 Galaxy.
Chat me a big a snipe. Chat me a big 4 galaxy goal. I don't know what's so much on what I'm going on. 3 person with a rose chat.
Chat me a look. Me go if I say you know. Come in and get nothing.
3 person with a rose. Hey, no make me have nothing. Shantau,
Chat talk about your birthday. What for your mama day?
hurry up and do what you do and go and come. Can't bother. Chat, thanks.
The next love chat, you see? You love chat. Chat triple.
Chat, triple chat. Chat me a big a snipe on the triple.
We have a
What did I'm on the
look
triple?
good. If we leave your so, but can nobody now put.
Right? Chat not on the triple.
Just it one to Toto.
Right.
I can Okay, time.
Mommy, you not feel smell all the way every day now.
I feel her teeth, them she want to show them nice and pretty.
Don't be afraid to love you know it's good for you. The dog is gonna help you.
Boy, tell her. I don't know what I gotta do with Shanta.
You can't see me something.
You gotta restart, girl. Like that.
Yeah? Yeah, we block you first. What am I sitting there for?